So today I'm going to be telling you how to stop worrying, how to stop negative thinking fast with this quick, awesome tip/hack. I use this, it made a huge difference in my mental health. There are two components to it, so you want to watch this whole video. It's not going to be a long video. Show a little bit of patience if you care about your mental health. So I had multiple anxiety disorders, so I was always worried about the past, something coming up in the future. I had a ton of anticipatory anxiety. I had intrusive thoughts, negative thoughts, worrisome thoughts, you name it. It was going on up here, especially if it was negative. So I had to figure out a way to help myself get a freaking break so I could either live my life or gain momentum in my anxiety recovery. So I came across this awesome tip online where it suggested to have a window of time, and I'm suggesting 30 to 45 minutes to actually worry about whatever you would like to worry about, the past, the future, whatever you have going on in your life. Now, does this mean that you are not going to get negative thoughts throughout the day from your subconscious because you make this awesome choice? No, your subconscious will still send you negative thoughts, but then you do have an actual choice to say, you know what? I have this negative thought, I'm gonna save it for 5 p.m. this evening, all right? And then whenever you get there, I don't want you to just sit there in your negative thoughts. See, we've already tricked our subconscious into, we'll deal with this later, we'll worry about it later, but now we're gonna actively challenge the negative thought. That could be you sitting there thinking, is this likely to be true? Or maybe finding a solution to that negative thought. So I would urge you during this 30 to 45 minute period to actually write down the negative thoughts that were sent to you throughout the day. See if they're likely to be true or if they're not likely to be true, and see if you can challenge them and find solutions. So now you've taken the worry, you've condensed it into 30 to 45 minutes, and now you're actually working and processing those negative thoughts. So my suggestion, guys, do this for a couple months, gain some momentum, live the life that you deserve, save your worry for a small period of time. You're gonna basically be forcing yourself to challenge and practice handling those negative thoughts. But eventually, we wanna be able to handle these on the fly. So after a couple months, test it out. See if you can handle these negative thoughts when they arise, challenge them when they pop up, because eventually we want it to be the natural way. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to check out my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp, in the description in the first pinned comment. It's my full blueprint on how I recovered from multiple anxiety disorders. Grab that if you haven't. Subscribe if you're new. Tons of anxiety tips like this one, like this if you got value. Tons of resources down below. And until next time, guys, keep fighting.